I'm feeling high.
Subscribe, like, comment, and share this video around the Forex community to help others achieve their dream.
Greetings to everyone and all my followers. This is Random for Tech Solutions. Okay, today we'll be looking at charting the market. Charting of the market. Okay, charting of the market. All right. Few days ago, I talked about charting of the market. Okay, but today we will be looking at the practical side of it. Okay, the practical side of it. Okay, how to chart the market, how you can be able to chart the market. Okay. All right, this is the forex market. This is volatility 100 index market. Okay, those trading currency pairs. All right, you can use this formula to chart the market and also take your entry. Okay, I'm going to also be talking about entry points. All right, entry points. All right, so we'll be looking at a chart right now, which is a volatility 100 index. Volatility 100 index. Okay, you can see on the screen now, I've already built an indicator that will help us, chart the markets. All right, automatically. Okay, that will help us chart the market automatically. Only what you need to apply is just one thing. Only one thing you need to apply. Okay, this is what you should have used your lines, your trend lines to be doing, but already the indicator is already doing for you what you would have used your trend lines, all right, to be doing. Okay, in order to properly chart the market so that you can be able to have a good entrance and also become successful in your trade. All right, so this is Signal Machine plus Scalping Pro. Okay, all right, after the design and every other thing, I call this Signal Machine plus Scalping Pro. So if you've not gotten this indicator, hurry up and go and get it right now. It will save you the stress of too much analysis. Okay, so you just have to go and get it right now. Okay, so I'm going to show you the signal I gave to my students, all right, on my group. This is one of the signal. Okay, and this is live. This is a live signal. Okay, you can see it right here. It's a live signal. It's one of the signal I've given out, okay, to serve from this spot here. All right, to serve from this spot. Okay, to serve from this spot. All right, once you see a signal like this, the M kind of structure. Okay, once you see this kind of structure, okay, at this spot, you can see there's a kind of continuation. All right, there's a kind of continuation, so just allow it sell through. Okay, allow it sell through. This is another way. Right. Follow the structure. Look at the structure here. Okay, all I have to do is to use my trend line. I just use my trend line to cross here. Okay, I'm showing you one way you can be able to take an entrance. Okay, a very good entrance. This is one way you can be able to have a very good entrance. Okay, automatically that's giving you the structure you want, and this is an M structure. Okay, on 1 hour time frame. This is an M structure on 1 hour time frame. Okay, so since you've gotten the structure on 1 hour time frame, I think on 4 hours is still showing the same structure. Okay, so we're looking at our 1 hour time frame because we want to take our entrance from 1 hour, for instance. Okay, for instance, I want to take your entrance from your 1 hour time frame. All you need to do is to follow the structure and cross a line straight up. You can see this line, not the first one, the second layer. we have first and second layer of the indicator. Okay, I'm talking about the second layer of the indicators. You can sell from here. All right, are you seeing it? So either I sell from here, or you take a sell from here, or you take a sell from here.
Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video to everyone on the Forex community.
This week, all right, you can take it along as you see the week coming down. Okay, all right, this is a kind of retest. Okay, once there is a kind of retest on this line, once you cross it like that, you take a sell down. Okay, so it's either you take from here down, or you take from here down, or you take from here down. Okay, so that's one way you can be able to sell, or using the signal machine plus capping pro indicator. Okay, the other indicators I've created for signal machine, but this other one is very matured. Okay, so it gives you the structure automatically. Okay, and you can use it for price action. Okay, you can be able to use this one for price action. All right, so that's how you take it down. Okay, another way of taking an entrance is by cutting off these parts you're seeing here. Cutting off this part you're seeing here up. All right, cut it off. Okay, and take your sell from here. Okay, once it start dropping from here, okay, you enter. You can see that's where I took my entrance. Okay, once it start dropping down, you don't waste time, just take your entrance, enter immediately, and allow it sell down toward these various support levels. Okay, all right, so this is one support level, this is another support level again, this is another support level again. Okay, so you have first support level and second support level. So this market is coming here to hit on this support level. All right, so I'm going to show you another pattern, which is the header and shoulder pattern. All right, so we have two trades running for us here. Okay, which I've already given in my group. All right, so I'm going to switch to the step index. Okay, so you can be able to see the pattern, which is the header and shoulder pattern. Okay, all right, so I will switch to the trade we are on right now. So you can see we are on profit. We're on profit step index. Okay, so let me show you what happened. Let me show you what happened. Okay, so this is the trade we are on right now. The market is going gradually. Okay, the header and shoulder pattern. So this is how it works. This is the straight line I drew, okay, alongside with the indicator. All right, are you seeing it crossing through? Are you seeing it crossing through? Okay, so any other retest here, okay, will be my entry. All right, any other retest will be my entry. Okay, of course you can see where I took my entrance. Okay, it retests, this market shoot up. All right, the market shoot up. I seen it on H1, and look at why when it started coming down. This is my shoulder, this is my header, shoulder, header and shoulder. Okay, shoulder, header and shoulder. All right, so I haven't seen this shape like this. All you need to do is to wait for your next shoulder. All right, so you have to draw the line. All right, take it up, follow this pattern that the indicator has given, because it's a structure. It's a structure. All right, I'm the creator of this indicator. Okay, all right, so have been using it and it has been 99% accurate. Okay, so once you see this structure like this, the indicator I've already given you, all you need to do, because you're to get the other side. Okay, so get a straight line, and let's allow it cross through, all right, to the top. Okay, then leave it and watch the market retest on the line. So once the market retests on the line, all you need to do is to take your sell down. I see it. So that's exactly what I did. Okay, and you can see the market is going. market is going. Once you've done that, you take your what, your stop loss, take your stop loss up here, all right, and start placing your take profit. Okay, you can see I place my take profit so that once it hit on this, it has hit on the first level of my take profit. Okay, this is the first level of my take profit. All right, this market will get to somewhere here and retest, all right, on this line and start coming down again. Okay, so those that have not entered can also enter. All right, so this market is coming down to this level. Are you seeing it? It's coming down to this level. All right, so those are the two entry I want to show you, okay, in this video. Okay, that's how I've been taking my entry, and it has been 99% accurate. 99% accurate. All right, so you have to share this video to those who haven't watched this video, because this is 99% accurate strategy. Okay, all right, 99% accurate strategy. All right, so you can make it your strategy and start making money from the market.
I'm feeling high.
Subscribe, like, comment, and share this video around the Forex community to help others achieve their dream.